So you downloaded Eclipse IDE but have no idea where to start. Don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly how to write your first Java code in Eclipse. Not just that, I will also show you how to use multiple JDKs inside Eclipse IDE and even how to work with multiple windows side by side like a pro. Hey guys, welcome back. And now see here, when you open Eclipse IDE for the first time, you will see this welcome page here. Okay, now I don't need this welcome page. This is how Eclipse IDE looks when you open it for the first time. This is the main interface of Eclipse. On the left side, you will see this section. It's called as Project Explorer or Package Explorer. This is where all your Java projects live inside Eclipse. And on the right side, this section is called as your editor. Now I will remove all of these things here as I don't need this as of now. So I will remove everything from here. Now what you have to do first, just check whether your Eclipse IDE is configured with Java or not. For that, you have to click this window and click here Preferences. And you have to type here JRE. After that, just click on Installed JRE. Now as you can see that I have JDK 21 configured with my Eclipse IDE. But maybe in your case, if it is not there, okay, so first I will remove these things from here. I will remove this thing from here and I will remove this thing from here. So what you can do here is click on Add and click on System.out.println, then click here Next, and after that you have to click here Directory and you have to choose the JDK folder. In my case, it's in local disk C and in program files, which is here, and I will type J, which is Java. Now I have JDK 21 here. Now don't go inside that folder. You have to click JDK 21 and select folder and click here Finish, and after that click apply and close. Now my JDK is configured with Eclipse IDE successfully. Now what you have to do next is you have to create a Java class, but for that Eclipse says, boss, you have to create first a Java project. Now there is basically two options. The first option is you can click on this create a Java, or you can click on this file and new here and choose here Java project, and I will choose here name my app 1. Choose whatever you want, and as of now don't change anything from here and click here Finish. Now after that you have to click this arrow or double click on my app 1. Now this my app is a Java project. You have to click this arrow. Now see here, this is the src folder. Your every class or every package should go inside this folder, because when the compiler will look your Java file, it will look this folder only. So you have to make sure that your every classes and packages should be in src folder. So just right click on this src and choose one package. Okay, package. First I need package. I will remove this and type here pkg1 and click here Finish. As of now I don't need this module info, so I will remove this from here. Just remove this from here. Okay, click OK and it will remove. Now click on package 1 and choose one class. Okay, click on this class and type it any name as you wish. I will type here hello 1 and click here Finish. Now as you can see here that the font size of this file is very low. Now I will use here one shortcut, and which is Control++ or Control -. Okay, Control++ will increase your font and Control- will decrease your font. But sometimes this shortcut might not work on your Eclipse, and that's totally fine. Here is what you need to do. Just go to window here and click on Preferences, and after that you have to type here colors and fonts and just click on this colors and fonts. After that you have to expand this basic here. Just expand this basic and go a bit down and you will see text font here. Click on this text font and choose here edit. Now from here you can set your font size manually. You can change your font family here. You can change the font style. You can change the size of your font and click here OK, and after that you have to click apply and close. But in my case the shortcut is working okay, so I will not change this. Now here I will type a man method, which is public static void man, but I will not use this. Instead of this I will use the shortcut of man method. So what is the shortcut of man method? Just type here man and press Ctrl plus spacebar and hit enter. Okay, I will do one more time. Just remove this and type man here and press Ctrl plus spacebar. As you can see here, the man method appears here. Okay, just hit enter and you will see the man method. Now I need to print welcome. Okay, so for that I will use one shortcut for println, and which is SYSO. Type SYSO and again press Ctrl plus spacebar. Okay, boom. Now here is your println method and write your code, which is welcome. Now see here, when you write a class you will see a star mark next to the class name. That star mark means your class is not saved yet. To save it, just press Ctrl plus S and the star will disappear. That means your code is now saved. So I will press Ctrl plus S. Now as you can see here, the star mark is gone from here, which means your code is now saved. And the cool thing about Eclipse IDE is you do not need Java C anymore, which means the moment you write your code on Eclipse IDE, Eclipse automatically compiles it using a built-in feature called auto compilation. Now you might immediately ask me, how do I know if I have a compile time error or not? Now just see here, if I miss here semicolon, as you can see the red line just came here. Okay, now what does it mean? It's a compile time error. Now I will put again, and now that red line is gone, which means I don't have any compile time error. Now how to run your code? Just go here. If you see this icon here, click this icon. Now as you can see, the welcome is here. Now I will do one thing. I will minimize this console from here. Okay, just click on this minimize button here. Just click on this. Go again and run your code. Now this time you will see the console will appear here. Now I will do one more thing. I will create one more package. So go to src folder. Just right click on src and create one more package. Name it pkg2 and click here finish. Now you might ask me, can we create a class without a package? The answer is yes, you can, but the thing is, this is not a good practice, because as your project grows, it becomes harder to manage all your files if they are not inside packages. Okay, and I will do one thing. I will click on this package 2 and I will create two classes. The class 1, which is hello2, and hit enter. Again I will click on this package 2 and I will create one more class, and which is hello3. Okay, and click here finish or hit enter. Now as you can see that package 1 has only one class and package 2 has only two class. In a Java project you can have multiple packages like package 1, package 2, package 3 and so on. Each package acts like a separate folder that keeps your classes organized. You can think of each package just like a folder on your computer. For example, you have a folder 1, folder 2 and folder 3, right? Now maybe folder 1 has 3 photos, folder 2 has only 1 photo and folder 3 might have 5 or 8 photos. So it is the same idea here, which means inside every Java package you can have one or multiple Java classes or interfaces, and each one handling a specific part of your Java program, which means now package 1 has only one class and package 2 has two classes. Now again I will do one thing. I will create one more package, okay, and I will name it package 3, pkg3. Now here I will right click on this package 3 and I will create one class and name it hello1. Now see here, this hello1 is in package 3 and this hello1 is in package 1, okay, which means they are not same, they are totally different, which means this is the package 1 is actually a folder. What is package? Package is basically a folder. So this hello1 is in different folder and this hello1 is in different folder, so they are not same. And again, I will right click on this package 3 and I will choose one more class and which is hello2 or hello4 and click here finish. Now just see here, I want to show you something and which is very important guys here. Right now I have 5 tab open, okay, and all of the 5 tabs are unsaved and you want to save all of them at the same time. Now you cannot go one by one tab and press Ctrl S each time. So what you can do, just press Ctrl Shift plus S, or you can do one thing, just go here and click this file icon here which is save all. Now as you can see, they all are saved now. And by the way guys, if you do not see the line numbers on the left side of your code, so don't worry, sometimes Eclipse hides them by default. So to turn them on, just right click on the code area and go to preferences. Click on this preferences and you have to click text editor here. You have to check mark on this show line numbers and you can also change the line number color as well. Just click here and choose color as per your wish and click here OK and then apply and close. But I do not want to change it, so I will remove this from here. Now I'm going to talk about something which is really useful, and that is renaming. In Eclipse, you can rename anything, your project, your package, or even a class name. So for example, if I want this hello1 to change its name to welcome1, so what I have to do is just right click on this hello1 and choose here a refactor and click on rename, and I want welcome1. Now hit enter and click here finish. As you can see that in package 1 I successfully changed the class name. Now for example, the package 1 you want to change package 1 to p1, so just right click on this, or you can use the shortcut as well. I will use Alt Shift plus R and I want P1 and click here OK and again click here continue. It will not break your code, okay, so don't worry. Now as you can see, from package 1 to P1 I am able to change. As you can see here guys, my code is not formatted, right, which is the line is here and I have a gap here, okay, and again this line is here and again I have so many gaps here, so which means my code is not formatted. And we have a cool shortcut which is Ctrl Shift plus F. Now you can see it formatted my code. And now guys, here is the magic of Eclipse IDE. You can actually use multiple JDKs inside one IDE. So what does it mean? As you can see here, my app1 is using JDK 21, but I want a new Java project which can use JDK 8 or JDK 11 or JDK 7. So how can I do that? Just click on window and add JDK. Now type here JRE and installer JRE, and I will add one more JDK which is JDK 8. Click on add, click here next and click here this, and I will go to C drive and again program files, type J Java, and I have this folder JDKs, and inside that folder I have JDK 1.8 and 17. So I will use JDK 1.8, okay. So just click on 1.8 and select that folder and click here finish. Now as you can see, I have more than one JDK configured with my IDE, which means you can add more than one JDK inside one IDE. As of now, the check mark is on JDK21, which means this is my default JDK. Now I have JDK 1.8. Now click here, apply and close. Now I will go here and I will create one Java project. Click here, new, and click on Java project. I will type here one name, my app 2. You have to use this option, and from here, as you can see, I'm able to see JDK 21 and JDK 1.8. So I will click this JDK 1.8 and now I will click here finish. Now which means my app 1 is using JDK 21, and if you see here JRE, it is 1.8. Now I will go to SRC and I will create one package first, P1, click here finish, and I will create one class. So just click on this and choose class. Now I will choose here Java 8, okay, Java 8, and click here finish. Now I will use here man method and press Ctrl plus spacebar and hit enter, and now I will type here shortcut again and I will write here welcome to Java 8, okay, and I will save it and run it perfectly fine. As you can see here, welcome to Java 8. And if you want to see whether this JDK is really 1.8 or JDK 21, so what you can do is basically simple thing is you can use the var type, okay. Now what is var type? Basically var type came in JDK 10. Now type this var x is equal to hello. Now as you can see here, the var type is not working in Java 8. It says boss, what is this var? But now if you use here which is welcome, now see here welcome is in my app 1, okay, and if I use here var x is equal to hello, now I can see this is working in JDK 21. So which means this is Java 21 and this is JDK which is Java 1.8, okay. Now guys, for example, you are working on more than one classes and you want to see both the classes at the same time. If I want to see hello 1, I cannot see hello 1, okay. Now when I type on hello 1, I cannot see hello 2. So what you can do is basically just hold your mouse and drag this right or bottom, okay. Just hold your hello 2 and drag this bottom or right and leave it here. Now as you can see here, I have a multi-window editor, which means I can see both the classes at the same time. Now I can write and compare both codes side by side, and this is very useful when comparing codes or copying or when you need to debug faster, okay. And again, if you want to bring it back, just hold your mouse key and drag this here. Now as you can see, this is hello 2 here now. Now if you want a full screen of your editor, you can minimize this project explorer, okay. Just click on this. Now you can use this full screen and you have to click here again to restore this. Now by chance you accidentally click on this package explorer close button, okay. Now it's gone from here and you may think, oh my god, what's happening here? If you go to file, there is no option, and if you type Ctrl Z, it will not work. So what you can do is basically you can click on window and click on show view and choose here package explorer. Now it will come back again. And one more thing which is very important, if console is not opening, you can again go here window, click on show view and you can click on this console. It will open your console. And guys, I really hope this helped make Eclipse a bit less scary and a lot more fun. And guys, if you found this helpful, do like this video so it can reach more people and help them too. Also, I would love to hear from you. Write your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. I will make sure to check them. Thank you.